and then pull it back, or else I might put it strain on my lower back. Right? It's important to lift weights properly and not bend your back, your spine. Straight, strengthen core, pull back. Chest up. Broaden the chest. Tighten the core. Let's do the lat pull down with more weight. Chest up, pull, standing core. I can feel my thigh muscles because I'm putting some pressure over here. I'm not going to do more today, as in at least not these. We'll probably do some dumbbells. Though I did it yesterday too. Let's warm up with something else. There's only one dumbbell. नहीं मत करो मत करो मत करो मत करो मत करो मत करो नहीं फ़ोन से रखा गिर जाएगा। मत करो थोड़ी देर बात करना। फ़ोन रखा है गिर जाएगा। He's shaking the camera. That's it. Last hit. Front hit. And shoulder and I could do more, but I'll do some later. जान बुझ कर रहे हो क्या? एक मिनट भाई, पैर पड़ता हूँ, जान पूछ के मत करो. Yeah, this kid is a brat. He's very annoying. He's trying to push off the phone. I told him if he fall off, so he's intentionally doing it now. Damn kid. He's 4 years old. I shouldn't have told him that there's a phone over there. Anyways, let's go. छोड़ो भाई, छोड़ो छोड़ो छोड़ो. दिलबर भैया, दिलबर भैया, इसको थोड़ा बोलो ना, ये हिला, बहुत हिला रहा है ऐसे.
छोड़ दो नहीं
तो टूट जाएगा. देख के it will break probably, and also he's intentionally trying to mess up the recording or just annoying me. He got grounded. My bad. I should have finished my workout long ago. And he's asleep. Cool. Let's go. Sideways. I think this is easy. You're just leaving it loose, so I'm not gonna try to do this. And let's see. twisting my wrist a bit, I shouldn't. And I should raise it like straight to my neck. Like from the top it should be a straight line, and from the sideways it should be a straight line. For example, this is wrong. This is not a straight line from the straight from looking from the front, but it would be a straight line from the top, but a smaller one. It should actually be the biggest line as long as my hand, and a straight line. Like, no, it should look like a proper T from front and a straight line from the top, like this, and not like a V. This would be different, I think, and this would be different, I think. I think sideways lift are for the shoulder. So let's do some neck movements. Directly going for the 5 kg higher weights for neck muscle. I should have started with lesser weight, but it's okay. I'll do the front lift along with the neck muscle. I should not bend it too much like this, and I should not lift my heel, for example, sideways or anything like. So only my hands should move, only my targeted muscles should be activated. Let's go again. Actually, I don't do front lift with lesser weights or the side lift with lesser weights. I should have tried that. I did the bicep curl with lesser weights to slowly warm up the muscle. You know, so you can train it up a bit. Make it work before just directly giving it a lot of weights. Anyway, let's go again. This can be called the shrugging exercise. You shrug. Let's do the sideways lift again. Second set. And one more set. Next, I think we can do something. Career on my leg, it's easy to just leave it loose. I should leave it till here only. Even neck, I think I should leave it like this and keep it close to my body. Let's see. Always counting reverse, except for maybe for sets. Or for sets also can say third, second, first, or 3, 2, 1. So 1 is the main in front lift and a lot probably for neck shrugging exercise. I should do it more slowly. I'm doing it all fast because it's a really heavy weight and it's hard. If I do it slowly, it will be really hard. The neck should be easy slowly. didn't bring a towel. I should have brought a towel. I'm trying to be very lazy, not lazy, more like I'm skimping on stuff. Otherwise, I need to do laundry. However, I think I need to do a lot of laundry again. All sweaty clothes, sweaty innerwear, sweaty t-shirts. Thankfully, I'll go bathe today. I think long ago, I think I didn't bathe for like some 2 weeks or something. Or like at least 1.5 weeks. That's crazy. Bad times. I didn't spend time for bathing because I was bathing for like 20-30 minutes. And I had to come back home to bathe from the gym. I just directly went to the office from the gym. I think I'm going to get some weight for my office. Like for the gym, I need to wear shoes and wear some appropriate gym wear. To actually visit the gym, I'll just probably keep some dumbbells on my office desk. Because in my house, I have one here in my PG in the hostel, and I have it in the gym. I have it in my house, but I don't use it. It's really dusty. I need to buy one that is actually not gonna attract dust like sand and all that, or dirt. And it has metal, because metal, I think if you are sweating, it shouldn't be a problem. But if it's any other material, I need to see if it can actually hold it. So, and then also storage and how good it is. For example, is it durable and whatnot. I might probably buy one from Decathlon, probably 3 kg or 2 kg and 5 kg ones. Of course in pairs, because I like to do it together instead of like one by one. Right. And I think it has advantages, and there are advantages even with barbells. I think instead of doing 2 dumbbells, 1 barbell, there are no barbells for it. I might get one barbell also. Let's see. For my house and for my office, in and out of the gym. But I don't know where I'll store it. Dumbbells are easy to keep at the desk, or I can get a locker to keep the dumbbells. Let's see. Let's do some more neck, and then should I increase the weight? Maybe not today. It's been long since I paused at the gym, around 2 weeks, or a week at least, yeah. At least a week. So 1 week, or more like 9 days or something, instead of just 7 days or 5 days. Let's go. I can even do the farmer's carry, basically carrying the dumbbells around, not walking like this, but just walk like this. It will strengthen the core and give some strength, general strength, I think, for the body. Though, I mean, core, I don't know how it strengthens it. I mean, I'm not going to walk around like tightening my core or strengthening my core. As in like tightening my core, but I don't know. Maybe I have to tighten it while carrying it, I don't know. I think it's called farmer's carry because I think in the US and whatnot, people carry, like farmers carry water buckets like this. In India, they have something like a barbell that they carry on their neck. right? It goes behind the neck, and on the two sides of the barbell, actually it's not a barbell, it's like a bamboo stick or something. On the two sides of the bamboo stick, they have a rope or wires hanging, and the rope holds the buckets, and they carry it like that. I think in the US or something they carry it like this, so hence the farmers carry it. I think so, I'm not sure, but I remember reading something like that. I remember reading that the name is farmers carrying a medicine. This is like, farmers carrying probably bending their knees or something to keep the buckets very close to the ground. Probably, I think the more the height, more the weight. Though the mass is same, 5 kg, but the force will be different, I think the weight will be different. So, or is kg the weight? I think it's the mass. 4 kg is mass, I think. Weight is more like mass into acceleration and mass into basically g, the gravitational force. If it's more high, I think there is more. And if you carry it for long, I think it puts a lot of strain on the muscle. Though the weight doesn't change, but it puts a lot of strain on the muscle. So if you carry it for long, it's going to take heavy. I'm going to read the physics around this and science around this, but interesting stuff. Potential energy, kinetic energy. But I think this is only potential energy because it's just static law and at a height. Anyways, I think it's called potential energy. Cool, let's go next. Focus. 8. Too much. 6. I've got a lot of free time and rest time that is chilling now and it's easier. Slow. 6. It would be really nice to actually cover this whole t-shirt with sweat, make it really dark. It's actually light grey, and then you can see dark grey because it's wet. You can see sweat here, sweat on the armpit, and the sweat on the legs are all gone. It's a summer time and it's a sunny day, and there's not much. I mean, the fans over here are not like going. I could have turned them on, but I wanted to sweat much. I need to drink water after this. Probably with, not probably, surely with oral rehydration salts to restore the electrolytes. I should have drunk water already. My mouth is starting to become dry because I'm talking a lot. A lot of air is going in, I think, and it's drying up all the saliva in my mouth. And probably it's an indication of dehydration because I'm sweating a lot. Come on, let's go. 2 more, I think 2 more sets, 10 more sets, 5 more sets. I might be over exercising my neck then, but yesterday it didn't pain, it wasn't sore. Today morning also it wasn't sore. My bicep muscles were sore actually, and my hand, my arms were sore, my upper arm over here. Slow. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. I think this will basically, you can actually feel your muscles over here behind, near the neck, behind near the shoulder, behind, near the neck. And 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more set, I think. Or 2 more, 3 more, 4 more. Maybe just 1 more. slow. It's going to be harder to do it slow basically, that's why I should do it slow. And it put more strain on the muscles and develop the muscles. Tear the muscles and then the muscles will build up. If I rest enough, I'm not resting enough, I slept only like 3-4 hours. Last night, max 5 hours I think. And I slept at 4 a.m. and then woke up at 5 a.m. 4:15, 4:30 a.m. and then 9:15 something. 7, 6, very bad habits. Very bad sleeping habits. I need to fix them. I wasn't exactly sleepy, probably because I was looking at the phone screen and all. I was making YouTube videos and all. I was still enthusiastic, I think. I was feeling sleepy at 3 p.m. in the afternoon yesterday. I didn't sleep once. Anyways, I'm going to sleep shortly soon. Close to my body, it's putting strain on my muscles, one more, 2 more, I just need one more. That's all, not too much, 3 more, 4 more, 5 more, 10 more, another. Or 7.5 more, or 7, 8 more, or whatever, no, 6 more, 9 more, no, 10 more, 20 more, just 2 more. I'm resting too much. 7, I'm talking too much. 6, 5, I'm doing it very fast. 3, slow, 2, 1, 0, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. One more, 2, greedy, and enthusiastic, over enthusiastic. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I think that's all for today. So the gym setup here is mostly good enough, not too bad, not too good, not too great, but it's good enough. You can actually see the dumbbells over here. They have only one 1 kg and only one 2.5 kg and only one 3 kg, but the others are doubles, I think 5 kg, 5 kg or 15 kg, 10 kg, 10 kg, 15 kg, 15 kg, 10 kg, 7.5 kg, 7.5 kg. I think 10 kg they have 3. And then 12.5 kg, 12.5 kg. I think there has to be more. I'm not sure. Like, there's a lot of space here. And the company is called, I think, Aerofit. I'm guessing it's not Aerofit. It's, I'm not, okay, it's called Technics, right? TECH, Tech, NIX, Nix. This one's called Aerofit, I think. So I think this is for like I can sit facing this and do this or this, like hold it like this and open my arm, or hold it like this and open my arm, or I can face forward and sit, right, and hold this like this and close my arm, or hold this like this and close my arm. And there are adjustments on the top on how much you want, like how much angle you want. Basically there are like let me show you, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 adjustments, and there's a lot of weights over here. And this one I think is for doing pull-ups, not exactly pull-ups, sideways or something, like hold it sideways and pull yourself up, or hold it like this and basically hold it like this and raise your leg and all that, raise your body and leg, right? Hence this, or hold it like this, right, on both sides, and then lift yourself up. And then there is a turner over here, so you can basically turn yourself around. I think this is for the hip. And then you have the pull-up itself. This is lat pull down. I don't know what is this called. This is for the lower back, that's all I know. And I think this is for the, I think I forgot the name, but this is for the for your core, to actually keep your legs like this, like sit like this, put your legs under this, and then lie down on this